Hey, Shereem Herndon-Brown, right back at you with Money Making March. We are wrapping up this month talking about the best business school, undergraduate business schools in the country. Today we're talking about the University of Georgia. I lived in Georgia for 11 years, so I'm very familiar with the Terry School of Business. As usual, we are first looking at the Custom College Plan, which profiles the university in a variety of capacities from selectivity to cost, of course, to size, and some of the academics or standardized testing that you need to get in. On the left is the research launchpad where different uh, periodicals, agencies, companies, organizations, College Board, everybody has an opinion about schools, and this is where you can learn about them. So, Custom College Plan, if you purchase the College Career Success Program, if you become a one-on-one client of ours, if you buy the College List Builder, all this can be yours at the touch of your fingertips because we want you to have the information. So, I'm going to talk about University of Georgia today and the Terry School of Business in particular. Again, Money Making March, the best undergraduate business schools. Terry's great. Again, accounting, economics, finance, international business, marketing, real estate. These are all undergraduate degrees that Terry offers. And I think that's unique in a variety of ways that they make sure that your interest in business isn't exclusive to just, being quantifiable. They make sure that you have international business because they know that the global economy is affected by those who can conduct themselves well in business. Real estate obviously never going anywhere. So if you're interested in business, if you like a southeastern school that is big, 27,000 people, but at the same time, it's selective. Let's not lie here. It's not easy to get into Georgia, and look at the cost difference. So a lot of in-state kids want to go to Georgia. It is the flagship school of the state and arguably of the South. So please check it out. But again, if you're really interested in undergraduate business, having so many different degrees, and they have special startup programs and entrepreneurial programs. I've done been to Georgia enough times to know that they do a lot for undergraduates, and they make sure that they continue to share with kids the evolving technologies and economies so that we can all be well educated. Their students can be well educated, well versed in business school jargon. So please check out the University of Georgia. I highly, highly recommend them. And please check us out for continuing a few more days of Money Making March. And we will see you back sooner rather than later. Thanks.